Okay, so here question number 1, it is telling which of the following system of units is not based on units of length, mass and time alone. Now listen here, here some options are given SI, CGS, FPS, MCS. When I discussed CGS, FPS, MCS in the previous slide, remember I told length, mass, time, 3 quantities I told there, but when SI I was teaching fundamental quantity, there I told 7 fundamental quantities. So here SI is basically included length, mass, time along with some current, temperature like that. So it does not include only 3, so it includes around 7. So that is why here CGS, FPS, MCS includes only 3 and SI includes 7. So that is why here they are telling not based on length, mass, time alone, that means SI unit is not based on length, mass, time alone. So answer will be A. I will go to the next question. Here question number 2 telling calculate the length of arc of an circle of a radius how much? 31 centimeter, which is softened an angle how much given? Pi by 6 at the center. Now see, here one arc is there and this is the center of this arc, here to here this is nothing but radius r, and here this angle is given how much? Suppose take d theta, that is basically pi by 6, and here this length suppose take AB, so this length you tell this is your L and r is nothing but 31 centimeter, r equal to how much? 31 centimeter. Okay, now here you know already we have discussed in plane angle concept, if you want to find d theta, that is what basically L by r, but in this case the d theta is given, r is given, and they are asking what about this L. So they are asking what? Now the length of the arc of an circle of radius 31 centimeter and we obtain an angle pi by 6 at the center. Now from here if you will find L is nothing but r d theta, r is 31 and d theta is nothing but pi by 6. If you multiply this one, then how much you will get? You will get around 16.2 centimeter, because unit will come centimeter. So here, so answer will be B. And remember pi value what you can substitute here? 22 by 7 or around 3.14 you can substitute here. So otherwise you can understand if pi value 3.14 I will take, 3 into 3 is around 90 and 90 by 6 means around 15. But some other thing 31 is there, so that is why some extra little will come, some more. So that value will go around 16.2 centimeter, or easily you can calculate also multiply. Now I will go to the next question. So here in this question is telling a circular arc of length how much? Pi centimeter as shown in figure. Now the angle subtended by it at the center in a degree. So this angle you need to calculate, and this arc is given how much? Pi, that means this is length given, and this r is nothing but this is the radius, this is the center O. So radius is given 6 centimeter. So in plane angle just we discussed what? Now this theta or d theta is nothing but that is L by r, and here this L is nothing but how much given? So L is given here pi and r is given 6. So it is coming theta equal to how much? Pi by 6, and it is basically in radian, pi by 6 radian, and you know pi is nothing but 180 degree, and here you see everything is given option 60, 30, 20, 120. So that means it is everything in degree. So you need to find answers in degree. So pi by 6 is nothing but pi is 180 degree by 6 if you will calculate, that will be 30 degree. So answer will be what? Option B, which is 30 degree. Now we will go to the next question. Now here it is telling the angle of 1 degree 54 minute equals to in radian how much, and here some values are given. Okay, so while teaching angle then a DMS system also, that time I told, and just remember, okay, so 1 degree is nothing but how much? That is basically pi by 180 radian, that one we discussed, and from here you can calculate and you can tell how much answer is coming in radian, or you can write 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute is nothing but how much? 1 minute is nothing but that is 2.91 into 10 to 4 radian, and here already you know 1 degree is nothing but 60 minute, and here it is given 1 degree 54 minute. So you can calculate 1 degree 54 minute, that is nothing but degree, 1 degree is 60 minute plus 54 minute. So total will come 114 minute, and 114 minute if will convert to radian. So how much it is? 114 into 2.91 into 10 to the power minus 4 radian. Okay. Now you multiply this 114 into 2.91, it is come around how much? 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian. Remember 1 degree 50 per minute. So this one you convert to what? You convert to total minute, and you know 1 minute how much radian, and here directly you are writing the multiplication thing. So it is coming how much? 3.32 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian, which is option C. Okay. So and remember 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian, that is 1.74 into 754 into 10 to the power minus 2 radian, and 1 minute is 2.91 into the minus 4 radian, and 1 second is 4.85 into 10 to the minus 6 radian. That values you remember. Okay. Now here next thing will go. Okay, so here it is telling when a clock in your room shows 9 o'clock, how much angle do its minute and hour needles make? Okay. Now listen here, it is just a question, normal question only. Now this is your clock, so this is your 12, this is your 6, this is your 3, and this is your 9. Now the telling your 9 o'clock is happened means here this will be your hour hand, and here it will be here, it will be your minute hand. Okay, this is hour hand, minute hand. Now see between hour hand and minute hand, how much angle is coming? It is a perpendicular, so it will become pi by 2. So when 9 o'clock happened, so this is the 9 o'clock basically. So when 9 o'clock is happening, so what is the angle coming between hour and minute hand? Now pi by 2, which is nothing but 90 degree. So we write basically pi by 2 or radian. Okay. So now we will go to the next question. So it is a simple question only. They are telling a new unit of length is chosen such that speed of light in vacuum is unity. Speed of light in vacuum is how much? Unity. Now if light takes 8 minutes and 20 second, 8 minutes 20 second to reach from sun, what is the distance of sun from the earth, and in terms of new unit? Okay. Understand question perfectly what they are telling? They are telling C value. C is what? C is called basically speed of light, which is nothing but 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It is normal value is C, speed of light. Now they are telling this C is becoming 1. This is the speed of light in vacuum. Basically it is becoming what? 1. This is the speed of light. Now if speed of light is becoming 1 in a new system of unity, then if light takes how much time? Now light is taking 8 minutes. How much? 8 minutes 20 second. Time is given how much? 8 minutes 20 second to reach the earth surface. Then what is the distance between sun and earth you have to find? Now see t equal to how much? 8 minutes 20 second you convert in everything convert in second. Now here 80 minutes is nothing but 1 minute is basically 60 second. So you will write here 8 into 60 plus 20. So total everything will come how much? 500 second. So because 8 into 60 is 480, 480 plus 20 is 500. So everything coming 500 second. Now if you want to find a distance d, d is nothing but how much? Speed into time. Okay, distance is basically speed into time, because speed is basically distance by time. Now his speed is given 1 into time is given how much? 500. So speed is given 1 and time is given how much? 500. So total answer is coming how much? 500 in new units. Basically it is in new units will come. So distance is nothing but how much? 500 units. So this is the distance is how much? 500 unit, which is the distance between sun and earth. Okay. So like this they are telling, simple thing only. So here they are telling the C is becoming 1. Okay, the speed of light is becoming 1. It is not 3 into 10 to the power 8, it is becoming 1. Okay. As they mentioned, according to the, that only we are solving. Okay. Now we will go to the next question. Okay. Now here telling if x equal to 80 plus bt square, where x in meter and t in second, then units of A and B are respectively how much? So just now I told the property like in x if x equal to some equations given, if x in meter then 80 should be in meter and bt square should be in meter, and they are asking what is this AB units. Now listen here. So if x in meter, t in second, I know my unit of x should be equal to what? Unit of 80, unit of total 80, t is in second. Now unit of x is nothing but meter, a you keep a, and t is nothing but what? T is second. Now from here, if unit of a I want to find, that is how much will come? Meter per second. So unit of a is nothing but meter per second. So you see a option, b option, same thing is given. Now we will go for first b, second will go for b. Now see same thing here. So unit of x should be equal to unit of bt square. So here I can write directly, okay, unit of b, nothing but how much? Here you see it is a meter and it is second square. So you can write it as meter by second square. Okay, directly it will come, this t square will come this side. So it will be x by t square means meter by second square, because unit of x is equal to unit of bt square, and unit of x is nothing but meter and unit of t is nothing but second. So second square, so second square will come that side. So x by second square, that by meter by second square you can find. So it will be how much? Meter by second and meter by second square respectively. So answer will be option A. Simple question only. Just try to find out unit of this equal to unit of this also. In the next class we will try to understand a dimension. Same thing we will understand here. Dimension of x equal to dimension of 80 and dimension of bt square also. Okay. Now come to the next question. Okay. Now here it is telling if y equal to 80 plus b by c minus t, where y in meter, t in second, then units of a, b, c are respectively how much? So here some options are given, a, b, c units you have to find. Now listen here, y is what? Y given meter. So if this is in meter, then 80 should be what? In meter, and t is given what? Second. Then I can put here unit of y is nothing but unit of 80. So here it will write unit of t is nothing but second. Now I can write unit of a is nothing but how much? Meter per second. So I got unit of y equal to unit of 80, and then unit of y is meter and unit of 80 is what? A you keep as a, and unit of t is basically second, then a unit is nothing but meter per second. Now second thing understand, here they are telling unit of b also find, c also find. Now listen here some bracket is there, remember, c minus t is given. Now I told, so two physical quantity, same physical quantity, they can be added or subtracted. If c is subtracted from t and they are telling t is nothing but in second means t is time, then c is definitely time and its unit will be nothing but second, because same physical quantity can be added or subtracted. So if t is time, then c should be also time or second. Now third thing come, b you need to find. So b by c minus t is there. Now see, that means I can write y unity, or you can write unity of y. Unit of y should be what? Unity of b by c minus t, full b by c minus t. Okay. Now this is basically time, second, and unit of y is nothing but meter, and b you keep as b, and divided by how much? It will be second. So if b unit will find, how much it will come? Meter into second. Okay. So second will come and multiply here. Okay. And remember here a simple thing only. Here c minus t unit is second only. C minus t unit will be a second, because time can be subtracted from time or time can added to time. Okay. So time cannot be subtracted added with displacement. So now here this is also second. So this second is coming and multiplying. So meter into second. Now I will check here options. So first is meter per second, then meter second, then after second, because a, b, c. This is a unity, this is b unity, this is c unity. So that's why a, b, c unit is this much. So answer will be D. So this is your MCQ. You need to understand here in terms of unity you are able to solve. Okay. Now we'll go to the next question. Here it is telling if y equal to at plus half bt square, where y in meter and t in second, then unit of a by b is same as unit of what? Some time, mass, length, frequency. So first understand what is unit of a, unit of b, then after understand what is a by b. So what is unit of a? Definitely it is in given in meter and it is in second, t in second, and unit of y should be equal to unit of 80. And if I am to find unit of a, then it is nothing but the second will come down. So that means it is meter by second. Similarly, if b you want to find, already in the previous we found actually. So half is not half is a constant actually, no unity. So t unit is second, so second square will go that side, it is meter by second square, meter by second square. Now here you have to find a by b. How much a by b? Meter by second divided by meter by second square. Now meter cancel, second square cancel, so it is nothing but 1 divided by 1 by second, or you can second will go up, it will become second only. That means what you are understanding? Now here it is a by b unit is nothing but second, which is the unit of time, because time unit also second. Okay. Or you can tell basically this is your what? This is your velocity, this is your acceleration, because meter per second means velocity and meter by second square means acceleration. So velocity by acceleration is nothing but it is your time unit, it will come. Okay. So that is your time unit coming. So answer will be option A. Now we will go to the next question. Now the damping force on an oscillator is directly proportional to the velocity. Now the unit of constant of proportionality are what? How much it is? They are asking this one. Okay, so this is a NEET previous year question. So this is NEET 2012 question. So what they asked here? They asked here. So here force. Okay, damping force means it is a force actually. Force is directly proportional to what? Now velocity. Velocity directly proportional to velocity. Now here I can write what? Now force is equal to nothing but some constant time k, some constant, proportionally constant into velocity, because force is directly proportional to velocity. So I can, if this one I am omitting, then I have to give a equal sign. Then here if I am to find this k, that is nothing but force by velocity. That is how much? Force by velocity. And remember, it is damping means it is decreasing actually. So definitely one negative sign will come here, but negative sign no need to include here. So just now write k equal to f by v. That means k is nothing but how much it is? Force by velocity. Force by velocity. So if you know what is the velocity unity, what is the force unit, then easily you can calculate. So force is nothing but mass into acceleration. So that's why it is kg into meter into second to the power minus 2 divided by velocity is nothing but meter into second to the power minus 1. Now here meter cancel. Now second to the power minus will go up, second to the power minus 1 will go up. So it is kg, it will become second to the power minus 1. So how much it is coming? Kg into second to the power minus 1. That means here option will be C. Okay. So just a little idea they are telling. So force is directly proportional to velocity. Then after what will happen? Now what is your unit of this proportionality constant? Okay. So that is nothing but how much? That is your f by v. Minus sign you can keep on minus, no issues, but that minus sign not need to include here about this unit and all. Minus sign, no unity will come. Okay. So constant has no unity. I hope you understand all the concept under units. We understood what is the system of units, and based on this we solved many questions. In the next class we will be uploading questions and concepts on dimensions. Keep watching the video, like and subscribe Vidhyalakshmi NEET Academy YouTube channel. All the very best.